Hello, ESS. I hope that everybody's doing all right out there. I am here with what will probably be your final weekly agenda video of the year. And so this will be for May 11th through the 15th. It's been communicated to us a little while ago now that the 15th of May will be our final online learning day. And so this is the final week of content or work from me. Obviously, this is not the way that I probably would have chosen to end the year. I do definitely miss the times that we had earlier on, which feel now like forever ago. Thinking back to first semester and even right after winter break. The times that we had in class, the fun, the jokes, the science that we were learning. Obviously the way that I would prefer to spend time when trying to learn with all of you. And so we're just doing the best we can. We're definitely in a time that I can safely say I will never forget. It's been totally unprecedented, totally historic, something that we're all able to share in kind of in its uniqueness. But I think we've done the best we can, given the scenario that the world was put in. So very straightforward week. Not really putting anything new out there for you aside from what I'll show you. So let's jump into it. The post, the finale. It's a fancy way of saying the end. First on the agenda, I would really appreciate if you guys could fill out this Earth System Science final reflection. It's not long. It's not a test. It is really for me to see what you guys thought of the year. Also a little bit about the end of the year, kind of the online learning piece, but what you guys thought about the year. You will notice right away that your name's optional. You don't have to put your name. You can be completely anonymous if you wish. And then you just kind of go through. It's not long. A few questions here and there about things you liked, things you didn't like, things maybe you would change if you could. Doesn't have to be stressful, but I would appreciate very much if you were able to fill that out. So that's step one. Step two this week is extra credit opportunity. So pretty much my whole message this week is to get your grade where you want it to be, which you'll also notice is number 3 on the agenda item. But this is one chance to bump your grade. Sketch notes for extra credit. So there's a Google slide document linked here for you with several videos. If you complete one full page of sketch notes per video, you can get up to 15 points per page. Obviously, I'm probably not going to award, what would that be, 15, 30, 45, 60, 70. I'm not going to give you guys like 90 points necessarily of extra credit. That's a little bit much. But if you were to knock out one, if you were in a tough spot with your grade, maybe 2, I'll kind of take it on a case-by-case scenario, but you can definitely earn extra credit by taking away something from these films that I've linked here. All of them actually, I believe, are free to stream via PBS, most of them. Super Volcano is long, but it's on YouTube. It's the only place I could find it. So there's some extra credit. All you have to do is take a picture of your sketch notes, turn it into the post, and I will toss some points your way. Final agenda item is just tying up loose ends. So if you have been not checking in regularly, if you have maybe neglected to turn things in over the last month or so, or if you even had missing assignments a little bit before spring break, this is crunch time for you to essentially get your grade to where you want it to be, especially if you're on a border of a grade or let's say just you want to be higher than where you are. And so this is your opportunity to do that. Obviously, email me if you have any questions or ideas, or if you need help trying to get your grade to where you want it to be, I am here to help you get there. I know that the remote learning has been totally different for everyone. And so if you have been struggling, now is kind of the time to, or maybe not struggling, but maybe kind of choosing not to engage, but you think that you want to have a higher grade, this is the week that you have a chance to do it. Beyond this week, it's looking slim just because of, well, you guys got the email about turning things back in and trying to wrap up the loose ends in this messy year. And so that's pretty much all I have. Again, please email if you have questions. Email even if you're bored or something, or have random questions, or just want to do some chatting. I don't mind that. I've been in my house with my kids and my wife and my dog now for 2 months, I think. My memory serves. Though lots of the days have been a little blurry. Yeah, so that's about all I have. I do want to wish you all a happy summer if I don't get a chance to say it later on. And obviously stay safe, and we'll just hope for a brighter future, you know? It's pretty beautiful outside today anyway. So that's all I have. See you guys later.